Today we're diving into the realm of social media giants, Twitter, or the newly rebranded X, and Bluesky. Twitter, a household name, is renowned for its real-time microblogging platform, while Bluesky emerges as a decentralized alternative. Let's explore these platforms across 5 key variables: features, pricing structure, user experience, pros and cons, and possible alternatives. Let's take a look at these sites' main features. Twitter, or X, features include character-limited tweets. Twitter is renowned for its concise communication with a character limit of 280, shaping a platform of brevity. Trending topics. Users can stay informed and engaged with the latest discussions through the Trending Topics feature, showcasing popular hashtags and subjects. Retweets and likes. The platform encourages interaction with the ability to retweet and like tweets, fostering content sharing and engagement. Lists and moments. Users can curate content with lists and create narrative-driven compilations with moments, enhancing content organization and discoverability. Bluesky features include extended character limit. In contrast to Twitter's character limit, Bluesky pushes boundaries with longer messages, allowing for more in-depth and expressive communication. Decentralized structure. Bluesky envisions a decentralized network running on a blockchain, providing users with more control and reducing central authority. Skeets and Skyline. Introducing a fresh terminology, Bluesky replaces tweets with skeets on the dynamic skyline, offering a unique visual and conceptual experience. Emphasis on decentralization. Bluesky's core focus is on user autonomy and decentralization, in contrast to Twitter's centralized model, aiming for a more open and democratic platform. As you all may know, Twitter has retained a free subscription structure through the entire rebranding process. As of the making of this video, this is also the case for Bluesky. However, Bluesky does not have nearly the external revenue that Twitter has, so questions have arisen as to how long the free plan will survive. Bluesky's user experience shares similarities to Twitter, maintaining a familiar feel that users appreciate. However, Bluesky distinguishes itself by envisioning a decentralized network running on a blockchain, providing more control to users and reducing reliance on a centralized platform like Twitter. Bluesky offers a user-friendly and straightforward interface, distinguishing itself by envisioning a decentralized network running on a blockchain, reducing the power of centralized content moderation teams. However, Bluesky's cons include limitations on functionality, such as non-functional GIFs and videos, and a perceived lack of content due to its relatively new status. On the other hand, Twitter remains a more established platform with a broader range of features and content, but it is criticized for its centralized content control and algorithmic timeline. Between Twitter and Bluesky must weigh the familiarity and functionality of Twitter against the decentralized and potentially less moderated nature of Bluesky. Several alternatives to Twitter and Bluesky have gained popularity, including Threads, Spill, and Mastodon, each offering unique features and user experiences. Bluesky, recognized for its lack of ads and a similar look and feel to Twitter, is often considered a top choice among alternatives, as users seek platforms with diverse functionalities and content moderation approaches. In the clash of the titans, Twitter's familiarity and robust ecosystem may appeal to many, while Bluesky's innovative and decentralized approach caters to those seeking a more open and democratic online space. The choice depends on individual preferences and priorities. Don't forget to sign up for Twitter or explore the innovative Bluesky through the links in the description. Subscribe for more easy internet insights and check out our other videos for tips and tricks. Thank you.